There are so many places that we have yet to explore. And on this trip, we finally found ourselves in the beautiful state of Montana for the first time ever. Don't mind us while we go ahead and make ourselves at home.
So tonight for dinner, we have a Mortells specialty called queso dogs. It's just a giant hot dog rolled up in a tortilla and melted cheese.
Scrumptious. We're on a mission to escape the current blistering heat wave. This quiet reservoir should do the trick. And I think Granger approves. Would you believe me if I told you that Granger used to not be a big fan of water?
Hi, baby.
Me neither. Tonight's dinner is a tad healthier than queso dogs. Bell peppers and onions, chicken, barbecue sauce, and pineapple. Some friendly locals recommended driving the Pioneer Mountains Scenic Byway and checking out some local ghost towns. The views through the Scenic Byway were stunning, and thankfully we scrounged up enough change to enter the Garnet ghost town. It's pretty surreal walking through these deserted places where people used to just go about their daily lives. And a fun fact about this ghost town, they have a newlywed cabin which was given to each newly married couple for free until someone else in town got married. Now that's pretty cool.
Come on, in the back.
Time to get back on the road and make our way to one of the most idyllic campsites we've ever been to. Before leaving this beautiful area, we took a nice and easy hike down to Fairy Lake. This is the first official hike I've taken in over a year because of my health issues with long COVID. All I can say is, it felt good being back on a trail. Please excuse the interruption from your regularly scheduled program, but we have some time to kill in Missoula and decided to go golfing. You might recall our friend Brina, who got a flat tire with us in Death Valley. We're meeting up with her now because she's in Montana starting an exciting new job and testing out her new corporate housing. We're back with Brina.
I think my life got like...
She has another flat tire.
Okay, stop. A rock got jammed into there or something.
Yeah.
But it's definitely that.
What the heck?
It's safe to say that Granger thoroughly enjoyed her time in Montana. It was a bit hot for Walker's taste, but I think we all still want to make our way back here again someday. But in the meantime, we're in search of cooler weather. And according to Google, it's pretty much hot everywhere right now, except near the coast. So here we are in Washington State.
Step back just in case this breaks.
Sometimes it takes a few tries to get level. And sometimes it takes several tries. Finally, we're good to go. It's time to continue our journey west toward cooler temperatures and the Olympic Peninsula. The Scout makes for a nice remote office, especially when you can set up shop by the beach and enjoy some breaks throughout the day. The moody Pacific Northwest is just mesmerizing. It quickly stole our hearts, and we'll definitely be back again.